Hello everyone, I'm back again with a new video in which I will tell you Microsoft Student Ambassador Senior Swag Kit, which you can redeem through your snappy points. For that, you need to go to the link in the description. But yeah, warning, no one, if you are not an MSA, you can't access these. So yeah, these are the things. One little bit making it smaller, some more small, so you can see the things and yeah, points are given. There are so many things, so one by one I will show you all. Not everything you can get. You need to redeem a certain amount. Uh, the snappy points you have, that much you can redeem. Like for associate we have 100 points, so we can redeem only 100 points. And yeah, I don't know about the senior one, but when I got to know, I will update in the pinned comments. So yeah, check for that. Like all the things are so much good qualities and things are very cool. One more thing, guys, my sweatshirts of associate is arriving soon, so waiting for unboxing video. I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Link in the description.